Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a superb example of a Range Rover Sport in stock with us. This one in particular is a 3-litre diesel. It's the D300, so 300 brake horsepower, finished off in the beautiful metallic, premium metallic should I say, of Carpathian Grey. Now we've got the extended exterior black pack on this car, so black lettering, black grille, nice touch of the 3D camera that we actually get as standard now on Range Rover Sport, and some beautiful 22-inch satin dark grey alloy wheels. Now we've got red brake calipers, we have got steps on this car, deployable door handles, keyless entry, power folding wing mirrors with blind spot monitoring, and we've even got the nice touch of the privacy glass. One thing about the keyless entry is that we do have things like approach unlocking and walk away locking, so we don't even have to get our keys out of our pocket or out of our bag. Really good size boot on Range Rover Sport, and the nice accessory as well, the fact that we do actually have an electrically deployable tow bar. Now the car's currently sat at its lowest height. It does have active air suspension, so we can lower or raise the vehicle, and we've got the nice touch of the rear seat remote levers on this car as well. Now, if we just close that boot up and we take a little look into the rear of the car, you will see that we've got a full ebony perforated leather with no clear signs of wear and tear in this car. We have the option of reclining the rear seats, lots of leg room for the rear occupants. And if we look into the front of the car, lots of adjustment in the electric seats again, memory functionality, electrically adjustable steering wheel, and 48,699 miles. Heated steering wheel on here, really easy to use the infotainment system. It's a huge screen. We've got all of our dual zone climate control underneath, the likes of our heated seats on the car as well. But wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto is probably the best thing for the car when we're looking at the infotainment system. All of our different driving modes, twin cup holders, lots of storage space between the two front seats, even nice things like captain's armrests. But finally, if we're looking up ahead, one option on this car, a really nice one as well, is not only does it have the fixed roof, but it does actually have a sliding opening panoramic sunroof. Now, really nice specification all around, particularly with the nice accessories like the tow bar, the steps, and the option of that sliding panoramic roof. Beautiful, beautiful example of the car. But if you do have any further questions, or if you'd like any further information, please give us a call. The number's 01642 644 444. Thank you.